Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add account, add content and post and comment automatically in MKT Twitter. Okay, first if you want to add account, click account management. In account management interface, first add category, enter the category name, for example account. Then press plus sign to add a new category. Then click on add account. Here I have some account. Copy the account format and paste to the blank space. And next select the category and select the format, username, parse, private key and email and passmail. Okay, then press save to save the account in the software. Press OK. And when you have import all the account into MKT X, choose the category, then load. Okay, next step, I will show you how to add proxy for the account. If you have more than 50 account, you should add proxy to change the IP address of the account. Okay, here I have some proxy. The proxy format added to the software in the static proxy is IP, port, username, and path. What we should do is copy the proxy, then press Ctrl and A button to choose all the accounts and do the right click, paste, paste proxy in turn to paste proxy in the account. Okay, next step, when you have done adding the account and adding the proxy, the next step is login this account. Choose the account and do the right click, login X to automatically login the account. And after we log in all the account, you should do next functions. Here you could see login successful. Say close it. Okay, that's how we add account and proxy and log in the account in MKT X.